If you're a professional, you already know how important excellent communication skills are. They're important for passing your interviews. They're important for giving presentations, for speaking up in meetings and sharing your thoughts. They're important for high-stakes situations. But what happens, unfortunately, to many people is when the pressure is on, their speech breaks down. They lose their train of thinking. They start speaking too fast. They start blocking and stuttering or stammering. All kinds of things happen to people when they're under pressure. But if you want to be more persuasive and you want to be an influencer and you want to be able to maximize your true potential, then you're going to need to improve your communication skills. So what I want to do is invite you to check out this course. My name is Michael Williams, and this course has been specifically designed for those of you who struggle with your speech, but know that you have so much more to give and you want to take your speech to that next level. For more than 20 years, I stuttered, stammered, and struggled with my speech. I wasn't able to say the things that I wanted. I wasn't able to speak up in class the way I wanted. I hated reading aloud. I would organize my life around my speech. I would avoid certain situations. I know that some of you know what that's like. I know that some of you know what it's like to walk around avoiding situations, anticipating, scanning ahead, thinking about words. Oh, I'm not going to be able to say that. Wondering if you're going to be able to say what you want to say, when you want to say it, and the way you want to say it. I know that many of you know what that feels like, and I know that you're tired of it. So this course has been designed to walk you through, step by step, exactly what you need to do to transform your speech from what may now be somewhat of a liability to one of your greatest assets. Now, who is this course for? It's for those of you who are professional or professionally minded, and you don't just want to not struggle with your speech. You don't just want to be mediocre. You actually want to become an excellent speaker, an excellent communicator. That's who this course is for. Now, I'm going to tell you, you're going to have to put in the work. You're going to have to put in the time, because you're going to be literally changing or replacing not only the way that you speak, your speaking style, but also the way that you think. Being an excellent speaker has a lot to do not just with how you speak physically, but also with your mindset. So this course is designed to address both the psychology, that is, how you mentally and psychologically think about yourself in speech and speaking situations, but it's also designed to help you develop greater speaking skills, to speak with a greater rhythm, to inflect, to use body language, to articulate, and all of those things. This course has been designed to help you do that. So I want to encourage you to take a look at this course, look at the videos, read the descriptions, and decide for yourself if this isn't right for you. Once again, my name is Michael Williams. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really do look forward to serving you inside this course. We'll see you inside.